Hello everyone, who would have thought that ordinary eggs could become a restaurant's signature dish, and that every table would order it? I bet a lot of you have never tried this before. In the next 2 minutes, I'll teach you how to make it. Be sure to like and save this video. Prepare a suitable amount of eggs and put them in a large bowl. The number of eggs depends on how many people are in your household. Because it's just so delicious, I'm making a bit more here. Add 2 spoonfuls of salt. Salt helps to disinfect and sterilize. Add an appropriate amount of clean water. Wash the eggs thoroughly. Because the surface of eggs often has a lot of chicken droppings and E. coli, it's important to clean them well before eating. Put the cleaned eggs into a pot and add 2 spoonfuls of salt. This will make it easier to peel the shells later. Add an appropriate amount of clean water, cover with a lid, and boil for about 10 minutes. Prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Add a small section of green onion, 2 star anise, and a few dried chili peppers to make a sauce. Add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a pinch of pepper, 3 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, and half a spoonful of dark soy sauce for color. Mix everything well. Once the eggs are cooked, take them out and rinse them in cold water. See how easily the eggshells come off now. Next, make shallow cuts on the surface of the eggs. This will help them absorb the flavors better. Add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the eggs and fry them slowly over low heat until the surface turns golden and develops a tiger skin pattern. Add scallions, ginger, and star anise, then pour in the sauce. Pour in a can of beer that's about to expire. Add a few pieces of rock sugar and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes to let the eggs soak up the flavor. Time's up. Open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing. Now, turn up the heat to reduce the sauce. Friends, since you've watched the video this far, could you please use your lucky hands to give it a like and share it? Your likes and shares are the biggest support for me. Thank you so much. Sprinkle a suitable amount of white sesame seeds, give it a good stir, and that's it. Alright, plate it up. Eggs made this way are just too delicious, full of color, aroma, and flavor. Both adults and kids love them. Anyone who tries it will praise you as a master chef. If you like it, go ahead and save the recipe to try it out.